Alright, average entrepreneur family, here we go again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to start a t-shirt business from your home on your desktop or laptop, but is it the best way? Alright, average entrepreneur family, let's get right into the video. So the answer to the question is using a print-on-demand company such as Printful.com. You can start a t-shirt business really quickly, but is it going to be the best? And we're going to use that for a follow-up video. Sometimes I do use Printful for some of my products, and I do have products here in the office that I can show you guys, and you'll be able to kind of sort of get a feel for the quality. I've also done some other videos on that topic as well, but today's topic is, can you start a t-shirt business with a print-on-demand company? And yes, you can start your t-shirt business with a print-on-demand company, and it's going to be the easiest and fastest and best way to start that process, and then you can move on from there. So as I said earlier, Printful.com is where you want to go and create an account. And essentially what Printful does is you go in, you set up your account, you set up some of your templates, you set up your t-shirts, and Printful does the rest. So you can link Printful to your website. I have Squarespace, and I'm able to link Printful to my website, and whenever an order comes through my website, it goes to me, and then it goes to Printful. Printful then fills that order and also ships it. So it's almost it is a one-stop shop for some of your needs, t-shirts and more, which we're going to get into a little bit in this video. But so once you set up your account with Printful, you're probably going to get something like this. Then you want to go down to product catalog, and here's where you're going to see some of the different items that Printful has to offer. So men's clothing, you have women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, you have hats, book bags. Let's get into collections, brands. They have underwear, and that normally comes in under accessories. And a big thing now, face masks. But for today's video, we're going to get into t-shirts. So let's look at the men's t-shirts. So you have all of these t-shirt styles here: regular t-shirts, polo, all over prints, tank tops, 3/4 sleeves, long sleeves. Let's get into a regular t-shirt. And then here you're going to see the prices, and that's why I said, is it the best? Because for what they're going to be doing, which is a ink applied process to your clothing, is that the best way to go for this price? But that's a topic for another day. We're going to get into this t-shirt here. What I do like about Printful is that it gives you a mock-up of what you're trying to do. So pick the t-shirt that we like. This is a unisex t-shirt, Bella and canvas, $12.95 per shirt, and that's before you start adding some of the other options. So let's start designing, and then it says here it's asking me for my Squarespace account or just a personal order. So we'll do personal order just for this. Create your order, just a basic thing. And now we're going to get into the mock-up generator. So here's the shirt. So as you can see here, printing, digital print, embroidery. So digital print is what they're going to is the process they're going to print whatever graphics you have onto the shirt. So here we're going to click there, and these are just some of the regular logos that I have already loaded into the program. So as you can see, it downloaded to the shirt. We're going to make it bigger. There's the front. So it looks like, oh, we can do a back print as well. Print there. Just for the sake of doing it, let's do the logo on the back as well. We'll place that there near the neck. Now as you see, it has an outside label. So this is where you're going to put your washing label. Whatever item you want to pick, you can go to your men's clothing, your women's clothing, your kids clothing. But for today's video, we're going to go into the men's clothing because we're showing you guys how to make a t-shirt business. So we're going to pick our t-shirt here, and they have an array of shirts that you can pick from. Bella and Canvas. You have your heavyweight tees, all over print tees, and as it says, men's curve hem, curved at the bottom. So I like the curved at the bottom. This is a new style that they have, and you're gonna get basically a mock-up of what you're looking at. So black in color, let's do white. You can pick white. We want a digital print to garment, basically. So you choose embroidery or digital print. So we're choosing digital print because that's the process in which your graphics or your designs are going to be put on a shirt. Let's do this. I already have some designs loaded into Printful, so we're going to just use one of my my main logo here, and it's there. And you know, you can put this wherever you want. And as you can see, we have front, back, outside label, left sleeve, right sleeve. So how about we put it down? And that's the thing with this, it's only giving you a print area. I don't know if you guys should be able to see it, but it's just kind of giving you from the neckline down to just below the stomach. So you just have that there. How about we put it on the left chest area, and we want to make sure that it's in that printable area. That's fine. For the back, just to show you guys what we can do with it, we're going to use the same logo. Maybe put it here is where you see a lot of manufacturers putting their logo as well. Now the outside label, black, white, and that's going to be kind of sort of another place that you can put your logo. Sometimes they will offer you an inside label, and that's where you can print your washing directions along with your logo. It looks like they don't have it here, but we'll go to the left sleeve. So if you had something that you wanted to put on the left sleeve, you can do so. If you had something you wanted to put on the right sleeve, you could do that as well. So let's go back to the front. So you can add text as well, you know. So if I wanted to add text on here, you could do that as well. Let's see. Here are your different fonts that you can choose from. Text color, the outline, shadow. So we're going to rotate this a little. Once again, we're just showing you guys, what you ladies and gentlemen, what can be done in this program with Printful. There. So what you can do It's basically from here. You can order it. You can generate the files, save to template. So let's show you guys when you generate the files. So what it's doing is basically just giving you a model that you can use on your website with the white background. So these are just your display photos that you can place on your website that's just going to basically show the shirt. And these are just the mock-ups of the shirt. Once you go down, you generate the files, and it's going to generate all of the files to your computer, and you can post them on your website as you need to, or Instagram, or wherever. So as we go back, once again, we're going back to the different shirts that you can choose from. That was just a quick example of what you could do. So yes, you guys and ladies can start your own t-shirt business with Printful.com as your print-on-demand company, and you really don't have to touch a shirt. You don't have to touch a shirt at all. You don't have to touch any products at all, and you can start your t-shirt business that way. So that's just a really quick tester to kind of show you guys, or quick example to show you guys a place that you can go to start your t-shirt business. As far as costing you, we can get into that now. So if this is for the more advanced entrepreneur who's been in this business for a little longer, who may have a overseas distributor or even a national distributor in the States where they can buy their shirts bulk. Now, depending on where you buy your shirts bulk, this price of 12, let's go back. So this price of $12.95 just starting a shirt is no good, because if you buy for your overseas distributor could probably sell you the same shirt. It's not going to be a Canvas and Bella shirt, but they'll make the same shirt at a lower rate. Buying these from a national distributor, you'll probably get the same shirt for about $3 a shirt. Now, they're not going to be adding the digital print or the embroidery to the shirt, but you could always go to your local screen printer. You can go to your local embroiderer, or once again, if you're going overseas, you're going to have your overseas company do that for you, and it's going to be a much lower rate, and you're going to get this whole shirt a lot cheaper than $12.95. So that's why I said in the beginning, can you start your t-shirt business with Printful.com? Yes, you can, but is it the best way? And this is just one of the cons that you have to consider, because now you have to price your shirt up, or kind of just take away from your profit. Now, $12.95 plus whatever charges that you may incur isn't bad. Keep in mind, this price here isn't the final price, and it doesn't include shipping. So that's where these websites get kind of shaky, because you don't see the shipping price, and you don't see the express shipping price. So once again, that's a topic for another day. We can always cover that. If you guys want to hear a video or see a video about how to pick your national distributors or even your overseas distributors, we can do that. Or just finding wholesale distributors in the States that can get you this shirt at a cheaper price, which I know they can, because I use one, and that's how I know this shirt is just way too high just to buy one shirt. So if you guys want to know about the national distributors in the States that can get you this shirt at a bulk price, I'm talking about probably under $4. Put it down in the comments section. We can definitely get into that in another video. So I do have products from Printful here at the office. I'll be able to give you guys some examples of the type of work that they do, and the work that they do is quality for sure. So I'm not saying that the work isn't quality, just saying some of the products is a little overpriced. But hey, that's the cost of doing business, especially when you're starting from scratch. You're starting from the bottom. You basically starting from nothing. So you can use Printful.com to start your t-shirt business, and this is going to be the most effective, easiest way and less stressful way, because they're going to be handling everything as far as fulfilling the orders and shipping. All you have to do is set an account, upload some of your designs. Once you upload your designs, you start creating shirts. Get those shirts, download the templates as we showed earlier, and post them on your Instagram, your Facebook, or your website, and you're in business. Alright guys, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Definitely subscribe to the channel. We're going to be getting to more things like this. We're going to be getting to even bigger things, using overseas distributors to really step up your clothing line and to really step up what you're trying to do. So once again, I hope you like this video. Throw a thumbs up on it. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the Average Entrepreneur.